Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we're having a look at this, unboxing some RAM. This is Juhor branded RAM. Open a new version of memory. Well, looks like pretty standard RAM to me. Looks like a badminton player on the front. As your spokesman, this is a Chinese brand of RAM. Just memory jewel, so I assume that's their way of saying DIMM. On the back, you can see it's two 16 gig DIMMs. Got like an anime character on them. Little spot for something. There's a phone number or address. Got some QR codes there. Shenzhen Juhor Precision Technology Company. Some information in a few languages there. So let's open it up. This is DDR4, but they also make DDR5. I've seen DDR5 ones with different characters, as well as some ones with like RGB and a character on them. Let's just peel that off. How is that coming out? There we go. And there is our RAM. Got two sticks. Open that up. Sort of stuck in here. They only take up, well, a portion of the space. There's about a bit less than a centimeter gap at the top. I assume that's for the RGB RAM that they also make for the DDR4 DIMMs, potentially even the DDR5 DIMMs. They can use the same mold and the same packaging for both, whereas the taller ones with the RGB will just fill up the entire space. So there we go. I think I'll leave that one in there actually. So the two sides of the RAM, the same image on both, same position, same character, just the sticker on the different side of the heat spreader or this heat sink. Yes, 16GB RAM, DDR4, 435 volts, 3600 megahertz. I'll get that one out. Yes, it was an interesting design. You could probably make an entire Waifu PC, given the fact that there's also companies that make graphics cards. I can't remember the companies that makes those graphics cards. The RAM, probably get PC cases, that wouldn't be very hard to do. But that's it for the video. There's just a quick look at some sticks of RAM. So if you like the video, comment down below your thoughts and views and subscribe so we see videos like this in the future.